definitely gonna catch fish now.
Everything changes.
Good morning, guys. Back out here at Pine Flat. Today we decided to launch at Trimmer. Again, there's a little bit raining, there's a little bit wet. There's 3 of us today, and my cousin Moa and my cousin Tim. If you guys haven't followed him on his channel, go look him up, PXFishing. I'll go ahead and post that link on my description. Go check his channel, see if he catch anything today. Like I said, since we have a tournament over here, we're gonna be pre-fishing until the tournament on 25th. So out here again, decided not to bring any drop shot today since that's all we've been catching fish on. Gonna start with the crankbait. It has been raining since last night, so water temp is about 49 degrees. It's just a little bit cold, so we're gonna kind of slow down, hopefully. Oh, what's that, trout?
What?
Yeah, trout.
Yeah, I think it's
There's some trout jumping around. Let's go ahead and throw some crankbait then. Let's see if we can find any fish around here. That's pretty cool. Trout just jumped. I'm not here to fish with trout, but if we catch some, then that will be dinner. Let's adjust it down a little bit so we can get a cleaner screen. See, a bunch of trout, huh? All right, let's see. Here goes some fish. There's fish jumping around. Oh, and to add on, I forgot my life jacket today, so I had to use a loaner. Pine Flat here. Thank you, Pine Flat, for having these out for us. I thought I have everything in the car, but since I wasn't using my normal car, I didn't have everything in there. Let's throw the little swim bait, huh? I think these might be bait fish. Bait fish, so let's throw a little swim bait. I have a lot of moving bait today only. Quick bait, jerk bait, swim bait, glide bait. I brought a jig and a net rig, but hopefully we don't have to go to net rig. But let's throw this little swim bait out. Too bright for me. Contrast. Let's go down a little bit. Alright. There's a lot of trash around, so rain's coming down again. Gotta cover up so we can stay warm. Just fishing the shoreline and see if there's any pre-spawning bass are sitting around this shallow area. Let's throw a mag draft. just brought a lot of moving bait today, so that's what I want to catch fish on, some moving bait. The last few videos all been mostly drop shot. That's getting kind of boring to watch. Hopefully I'm not boring you guys with all that drop shot stuff. Let's go fish the other side so that way I'm not fighting to fish the same area. Just gonna cast you out and throw you along. It's a nice little rain coming down. See if anything that wants to take it. And fish as close as we can to the sidewall, just in case the fish are hugging it. These are hard structures, so, and it's a little bit cold, so hopefully the fish are hugging to cover. $30 feet now. I think this thing dived probably 12-15 feet. With this setup, maybe 15, hopefully. I don't have light scope, so I can't really test that theory. It's a fish, but I don't know what kind of fish. You just throw here. Got one. The little swim bait, small one, but it's one. First fish of the day. 1 hour and 30 minutes later. Smart spotted. The little spark shad. Caught one fish so far. Let's see. Let's throw this glide. Let's see if I can trigger any. It's fast sink. Since this is triple hook, give it some. How you guys doing out here, man? Just one? I just got one so far too, man. What was that? I caught it in about 50 feet. I'm throwing a little 2.8 swim bait. Yeah. Yeah. Pretty tough with this rain, man. Alright, good luck, guys. Doesn't feel like a fish. Well, it could be a fish. Nope. Here's a stick. Tough, Dave, man. Tough. Throw you since we haven't thrown you yet. You watched my real clean video. This is the reel that, one of the reel that I replaced the gears on. This one has the 10-pound floor on it. The sun is coming up. First casting is Tango. Little shallow crawl. See anything here. Nothing over here. How are you guys? One each? Yeah, been a tough day, man. Hey, I'll take a crappie right now anyway too, man. Fishing some 9, caught one small one. They want to go drop shot, but I'm gonna have to go drop shot now. Been a tough day. I'm gonna have to get some fish now.
Want a bear up here?
Fuck yeah, how many did you bring?
About 6.
Oh, okay, then yeah, give me one. Fuck, man.
2 more, the last 2 is yours.
Oh, you guys both had 2 already? What?
Yeah. I was trying to catch up to you, but you went too deep. It's like, shit, I don't want to go all the way back.
I was trying to find fish, man. Couldn't find any fish. I found a lot of bait fish, but then I didn't see anything like big, like around them. All the bait fish are like deep too, man.
Yeah, I just saw one right there down in 45 feet.
Yeah, they're like 50, 45 feet, dude.
I think back here in Trimmer, they're still way too deep.
Yeah. All right, thank you. Now I'm definitely gonna catch fish now.
You want your second one too?
Unless you guys want it.
I'm good. I'm driving, so I'm just gonna chill with it.
Yeah, I'll take it. I'll just down this one really quick and then. All right, cheers, guys. Tough day. Got our first beer, Firestone. Hopefully they sponsor us. Ah, too cold. Can't down it. Finally got one. I knew there was one here. Time to drink one time. Ah. At least that's a keeper. Hey. Long ass day. Just for this small ass fish. Might not even be a keeper, but let's measure for good measures. What do you think, Moa? 11? Hey. But let's just measure for good measures. Make sure that it's a legal size fish. And barely legal size fish. 12 and 3/4, man. Damn, tough ass day. Love when Tim gets drunk. He's drunk, but he's buzzed now. He's feeling good. Dink. It's hella small. See, I told you we catch Joshua fish on the way back. But this is not what we're looking for. It's not what we want.